Hello everyone, my name is Naman Dubey and I'm pursuing PhD from IIIT Delhi. My teammate is also pursuing MTech from IIIT Delhi from same college. And together we are working on a project of autonomous drone delivery. So basically, as we know, that drone technology has increased exponentially in the past few years. All the technologies which make drones more efficient and more integratable in normal society, like battery technologies, the motor technologies, navigation systems, AI monitoring technologies, all these technologies have scaled exponentially and their costs have also reduced exponentially in the past few years, which we believe has come to a point where we can create an completely autonomous drone based delivery system, which can be scaled and applied in normal commercial societies and for everyday applications. Like for example, the major cost of all e-commerce, quick commerce, food delivery players in India and as well as globally is the delivery cost, which still depends on human drivers and inefficient road infrastructure. If we are planning to build a drone based system, autonomous as we said, which will be completely autonomous and thus will reduce the cost of deliveries initially for small scale goods exponentially. So in that pursuit we are presenting this idea, and as for we are developing a prototype. Currently we are in the development phase. We have designed the prototype and we have also created a system which we believe will be beneficial in reducing the noise, which is a major part of integrating drones in normal societies. That is a major hurdle. We have created a new system which can reduce noise to very substantial levels and thus allowing our system to be scaled widely. Thank you. I hope you appreciate our idea. Thank you very much.